William Murphy. Bike check. Again. Everyone runs them, ODI, long neck grips, ODI bar ends. BSD Highlander bars, sorry, with an Animal Remix jump off stem flipped for a bit more height. Forks, you got We the People Trinity. Front wheel, Odyssey 7K rim laced to an Odyssey Vendera 1 hub. 2.25 FAF. Frame is a United Mothership V2, Nathan Williams SIG. Seat, we got a Federal Lacy mid seat. Just some stock seat poster nicked from Kyle Scrowther. KMC chain. KMC chain, so I can say. What's it called? Band Bud Source Rocker 2018. BSD Substance cranks. Left hand drive because I have a sound ass wheel. Wanaclat twisted pedal. Odyssey twisted pedal and Wanaclat pedal. Back wheel, we have a Primo mix hub laced to a Primo 7 Series rim. Pretty nice, like loud. Spokes are Primo. And I'll do a quick sound check. Noise. Anything else? Should I do a trick?